Vinyl windows New Orleans offer a wide range of benefits, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Louisiana. These energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home. With custom vinyl windows New Orleans, you can choose from a variety of styles and designs to match your home's aesthetic. Window installation New Orleans is a crucial step in ensuring the longevity and performance of your vinyl windows. Professional window contractors New Orleans have the expertise to install windows correctly, ensuring proper sealing and insulation. This is especially important in the humid climate of Louisiana, where window sealing New Orleans can prevent moisture intrusion and improve energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows. Louisiana are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Insulated windows. Louisiana provides superior thermal performance, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Window efficiency. Louisiana is a key consideration for those looking to upgrade their windows. Custom vinyl windows New Orleans offer a variety of options to suit any home design. From bay windows, New Orleans to casement windows Louisiana, there are numerous vinyl window styles New Orleans to choose from. Sliding windows. New Orleans are a popular choice for those looking to maximize natural light and ventilation. Window replacement New Orleans is a great opportunity to enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its value. Vinyl window frames New Orleans are durable and low maintenance, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners. Vinyl window maintenance New Orleans is minimal, requiring only occasional cleaning to keep them looking new. Double-hung windows. New Orleans are a classic choice for traditional homes, offering both functionality and style. Vinyl window replacement Louisiana is available for those who need to fix damaged or aging windows. Window glazing. Louisiana can improve the energy efficiency and soundproofing of your windows. Vinyl window benefits. New Orleans include durability, cost-effectiveness, and a wide range of design options. Window design Louisiana can be customized to fit any architectural style, from modern to historic. Vinyl window options New Orleans provide flexibility in terms of color, finish, and hardware. Window upgrades Louisiana can significantly improve the comfort and efficiency of your home. Vinyl window features New Orleans include advanced locking mechanisms, weather-resistant materials, and customizable designs. Window durability. Louisiana ensures that your investment will last for years to come. Vinyl window cost New Orleans is competitive, offering an affordable solution for homeowners looking to replace or upgrade their windows. With a variety of vinyl window styles New Orleans available, you can find the perfect fit for your home and budget. Window contractors New Orleans can provide expert advice and installation services to ensure your windows perform at their best. Vinyl windows New Orleans are an excellent choice for homeowners in Louisiana looking to improve their home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and value. With a wide range of styles, features, and options available, you can find the perfect windows to suit your needs and preferences. Whether you're considering window replacement New Orleans or simply exploring vinyl window options New Orleans, the benefits of vinyl windows are clear.